Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be back in Chattogram for this first match of this phase in the UCB BPL Premier League, Bangladesh Premier League for 2019, powered by TVS. I'd like to say that it was a very, very interesting match, the 29th match between Sylhet Sixers, who did well because both were vying for points, but eventually the Sylhet Sixers won it very, very convincingly by 76 runs. Congratulations to them. Bad luck for the Rajshahi Kings. It's my pleasure to introduce you to our presentation party. Immediately to my left, Alhaj Ali Abbas, Member Secretary of the Media Committee of the BCB and Vice President of the Divisional Sports Association of Chattogram. And alongside him, Mr. AJM Nasiruddin, the Honorable Mayor of the Chattogram City Corporation, Director and Chairman of the Disciplinary Committee of the Bangladesh Cricket Board. Thank you, gentlemen, for being here with us. Straight away, I'd like to request the captain of the Rajshahi Kings, Mehdi Hasan Miraj, to come across and have a few words, please. Well, not a happy day for you, Miraj. Very convincing win by the opponents. You must be a little worried about the future.
I think our batter could not bat well. I think we are disappointed. We back-to-back 2 matches lost, so difficult for us. So I think we have three matches. So we just work hard and last few days.
Yeah, I think you've got the 8 points now. Still, there is a chance for you to reach the last 4. But only one batsman really stood up for your side today.
Yeah, of course. We hope, inshallah, we have got chance. We have 3 matches, you know that. And if we back-to-back win 3 matches, so we got chance. So our batter last few matches did very well, and today hopefully our batter only Rabbi got 50 runs. Others batsman is not better well. So I think inshallah next match we come back strongly.
Well, I won't keep you too long. Yeah, you need to come back. You're a good team, so best of luck for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Of course, Mehdi Hasan Miraj, the captain of the Rajshahi Kings. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have that award to give away, the K Sports Player of the Match, $500 to be handed over by Alhaj Ali Abbas and Mr. AJM Nasiruddin, the Honorable Mayor, and for his brilliant all-round performance, it goes to Sohail Tanveer. Sohail Tanveer with 23 of 10 balls, a good cameo, and 3 wickets for 17 runs. After you collect that, Sohail, if you could just come across, have a few words. Okay. Well, you've got, you don't have the responsibility of being the captain today, but you must be pretty happy with what you did on a personal level.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we as a professional, we do whatever is the requirement of the team. We felt that maybe language barrier is still there, so we decided to go with the local captain, and then it worked. So basically, it's about the team. It's not about the individual, and I tried my best to do well with the bat and ball. When I went to the bat, we needed some quick runs, and luckily I middled few. And then I always believe if you start well with the ball in power play, you have more chances to win the game. And I think guys bowled really well. Ibadat bowled well. It was first game for him, but he bowled really well. And then Taskin and then me, Nawaz, we all bowled well, and finally we managed to win.
Yeah, you did well. All right. I mean, it's a very emphatic win, and that gives you a boost because now you've got those 2 points, and there's still an outside chance.
Well, if you remember yesterday, day before yesterday, I've spoken about it, that there is a slim chance for us, and we want to grab that chance and give ourselves opportunity to make into top 4. Yes, it looks very difficult at the moment, but still the hopes are there, and that's keeping us alive. And especially after today's game, the belief will come in, and hopefully if we win tomorrow, then you never know.
Well, you're headed in the right direction. Thank you for talking to us.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you very much. Sohail Tanveer is, of course, the K Sports Player of the Match. Now, I'd request the captain of the Sylhet Sixers, Alok Kapali, to come across and have a few words, please. Alok, অনেক অভিনন্দন অসাধারণ এভাবে ফিরে আসেন যেভাবে আজকে জয়লাভ হয়েছে এমফ্যাটিক উইন 76 রানে
না আসলে আমরা অনেক দিন থেকে আমরা ক্লোজ ম্যাচগুলো হারতেছিলাম, তো আমাদের লাকটাও আসলে ফেভার করতেছিল না, কিন্তু আজকে আমাদের সব কিছু ভালো হয়েছে আর কি। আমরা সবাই খুব 100% ইয়ে করছে, যেমন সোহেল ভাই খুব ভালো বোলিং করছে, ভালো ব্যাটিংও করছে। তার মনে হয় যে আমরা এটা টিম এফোর্ট আমি বলবো করি।
হ্যাঁ, জেসন রয় দলে এসে প্রথম অবস্থায় লিটন দাসের সঙ্গে একটা শুভ সূচনা করতে পেরেছিল, তারপর থেকেই মনে হচ্ছিল সবাই বেশ স্বাচ্ছন্দ্যে খেলছিল।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমাদের এইটাই প্ল্যান ছিল যে আমরা যদি আগে ব্যাটিং করি, আমাদের টার্গেটই ছিল যে আগে ব্যাটিং করবো, যে ব্যাটিং করে যদি 180+ রান করতে পারি এটা আমাদের জন্য খুব ভালো স্কোর হবে। আমাদের বোলিং সাইড খুব ভালো ছিল, আমরা অনেক ম্যাচগুলো আমরা ক্লোজ ম্যাচ আমরা যেমন অনেক রান করেও হেরেছি। আজকে আমাদের মনে করি যে টিম এফোর্টটা ছিল খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
এই জয়ের মাধ্যমে তো নিজেদের যে কনফিডেন্সটা সেটা অনেকটা ফিরে আসবে, এবং পরবর্তী ম্যাচগুলো যেটা আছে এখনো, যেটা সোহেলের সঙ্গে বলছিলাম, যে একটা আউটসাইড চান্স এখনো আছে টপ 4-এ যাওয়ার ব্যাপার।
আসলে আমরা ম্যাচ বাই ম্যাচ চেষ্টা করতেছি, আমরা এই ম্যাচটা জিতছি, আমরা নেক্সট ম্যাচ নিয়ে আমরা এখন কাজ করবো। আমার মনে হয় যে আমরা এখন আমাদের কনফিডেন্সটা অনেক হাই আছে, তো আমরা ওটাকেই কাজে লাগাবো।
Alok, অসাধারণ খেলা হচ্ছে আজকে, কংগ্রাচুলেশনস। Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Alok Kapali, the captain of the Select Sixers, and that concludes the presentation.